Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to unblock content in YouTube Kids using your Windows PC. If you'd like to give your child access to the full YouTube Kids library, these settings makes it simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.youtubekids.com, and at the top right corner, click on the icon to open the parental settings. Now, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Enter your Google account password to continue. Once you're in, select the child's profile you want to manage. Scroll down through the profile settings until you find the section labeled Unblock Content or Allow Access to All YouTube Kids Content. Click on Unblock, and when the confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and click Yes, Unblock. That's it. Your child can now explore the full range of videos available in the YouTube Kids platform. If you ever change your mind, you can go back into the settings and re-enable content restriction at any time. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.